Only the Muslims, who is the gang of the Allah, are trying to kill the non-Muslims or planning to nuisance throughout the world, or the violence on the nuisance. So Allah army is the gang of the killers, rapists and the robbers. 57. But as for those who believed and did righteous deed, he will give them full their reward. Allah does not like the wrongdoers. How can Allah give the reward to the righteous deeds? Because no Muslim can do righteous deeds after reading the Quran and Allah therapy. Allah therapy makes a simple person who was born as a Muslim into a rogue person, killer, rapist, and the wrongdoers. Allah itself wrongdoers. Muhammad was wrongdoers. And all are the gangs of the criminals. 58. This is what we recite you, O Muhammad, or our verses, and then the precise was. No Christian says that we will recite the Allah. This is only the self-praising of the Muhammad, that the superior is the Muslims, but Muslim is not the superiors, because they are teaching by the stupid Allah and the illiterate Muhammad, who does not know what is the good, what is the wrong. So Muhammad was a mentally retarded person or the rogue person. Indeed, the example Jesus to Allah is like that of Adam. No, Jesus never praised Allah. Jesus never known to Allah. Who is Allah? According to Christian, there is no Allah at all. According to me, Allah is all fallacy, or the false creation of the Muhammad by his own vested interest to looting the women of the kafirs and rape with them as a malka yamin or the sex slave. So this Allah's theory is totally stupidity and the cruelty against the non-Muslims. He created him for dust. Then he said to him, be and he was. There is no possibility to creation of man with a dust. This is the greatest lies of these verses. The truth is from your Lord, do not among the depths. If you are some intelligent person, you have some intelligence, you cannot be a Muslim, because followers of Islam means Muslim is a synonymous or the reflection of the mirror of the cruelty, brutality and the robbers and the pedophile and the rapist as per Quranic verses. So this was my video. Thank you very much. See you.